Much has been said about OpenAI versus Anthropic. In my last post on Substack, I made a prediction. I said that Anthropic will likely surpass OpenAI in business adoption probably next month. So I want to take this video to talk about where that data comes from and why I think that's going to happen. So first, I'm an economist at Ramp. So this data comes from Ramp. It's a business spend platform, 50,000 businesses, $100 billion in spend annually. It's actual spend decisions by businesses. So the reasons why I think Anthropic is likely to surpass OpenAI very soon is really two things. So one, Anthropic has already been quite resilient to some of the pressures that it's been facing. The Department of Defense just 2 months ago declared Anthropic a supply chain risk to turn off other businesses from using Anthropic. That hasn't happened. From early signs, we can see that Anthropic's business adoption is only rising and actually accelerating. Last month, it rose 6.3 percentage points. That's the fastest increase since we started tracking this data set. So for the most part, businesses have shrugged off some of these concerns. And then number two, time and time again in our data set, we've found that the best way to see where the market is going is to look at the early movers in this market and look at the early adopters. In our data set, the early adopters of AI as a technology are in a couple of sectors. So you look at the software sector, you look at finance, and you look at professional services, and you also look at VC-backed companies. These are the firms that are most likely to use AI in the first place. And if you look at our data set, they've already been more likely to use Anthropic than OpenAI, at least since about January. And so if you're going to trust that these early movers are likely to suggest where the rest of the market is going to move, as has been the case since we started tracking this data set, they're starting to use Anthropic over OpenAI. I think it's probably true that we'll see the rest of these trends. They're starting in these high adoption, high intensity sectors, start to percolate through the rest of the industry. Anthropic is going to be the most popular AI model very, very soon.